In 2021, you must be absolutely crackers if you're not jumping online and starting to build an online business, even if you don't have any experience at all. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to highlight how hundreds of thousands of people are starting to build a business around their life, and they're stopping living a life around their careers. And that's without having any fancy tech skills. That's without giving up all their free time away from their family, their friends, without giving up their hobbies, and without, more importantly, using all their savings and getting into debt to get going. A link to the free workshop series that got me started is attached to the Learn More button in this video. Now, not so long ago, I was looking in the mirror and I was thinking, you've followed the rules. You've been to school, college, university, now got the job, but it feels like there's something missing. Now, you don't know what that is, but you know you want to stand on your own 2 feet, take responsibility for your future, whilst being able to support and have those quality times with your family, so you're not missing out on your kids growing up. They do get big too flaming quick. And what else is worth thinking about is, if you spend another 5 years or so clawing up the corporate ladder, would that ladder actually lead you to your goals? The answer for me was no. I didn't want to keep driving around all day, stuck in traffic, or having to deal with issues that were, quite frankly, outside of my control. This had been playing on my mind for a little while when I was watching a channel on YouTube, and that's when I saw an ad like this from a chap called Mike. He was a normal bloke who basically told me to stop wasting my time on YouTube and start tapping into a multi-million-dollar a day marketplace. If you've learned to spend money online, you can learn to make money online. We all know we can spend money online, but is that just another one of these things that you see on the internet that you just can't trust? Even though I was sceptical, I knew I was looking for something to bridge the gap in my skill set so I could at least start to earn an alternative income. I watched the video series, a link to them, again it's attached to the Learn More button in and around this video. I literally couldn't believe how simple it was after following the step-by-step training to get up and get started. I built my very own online business in a matter of weeks with a low setup cost, plus I've become part of a community that have been there, they've seen it, they've done it. They help me every step of the way while celebrating everyone's successes together. It was great. But look, you could carry on coasting through life, living a life around your career, building someone else's dream, or if you're interested in escaping that 9-to-5 treadmill, creating a business around your life, getting your freedom back to spend more time with your loved ones, doing what's most important. I don't know, holidays, parties, going camping, hobbies, whatever it is, getting fit. Then click the Learn More button. You'll be redirected to my website. Give me your contact details and I'll send you that completely free video series straight to your inbox. Then at least you can decide if an online business opportunity is just for you. I look forward to working with you on the other side.